Hey guys, this is Zombie Joe Knives, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 helpful life hacks when knife making. Alright, for the first hack, it's going to be when you're hand sanding. If you don't have a fancy sanding block, a great alternative to use is a paint stirrer. You can get these easy from any hardware store. They're very cheap. You just wrap the sandpaper around the stick like this, and then start sanding. Alright, the next hack is an alternative to blue Dykem layout fluid. You can just use Sharpie instead. That's what I do. You just color the whole edge of your blade. I'm just using a scrap piece of steel for this just to show you how it would work. You fill that in completely, and then you'll just take your drill bit of the same thickness and scribe down the sides, and you'll get a good center line. This works great as a guide to keep your edge centered while grinding your bevels. This next hack is for when you're trying to drill holes in your handle scales but your clamps are getting in the way. Normally you'd use 1, 2, 3 blocks for this, but in this case if you don't have them you can use spare pieces of handle scales. These are usually precision ground, so they're pretty flat, and you can just line it up on top of those and your clamps will stay off the drilling table. This next hack is for when you're rough grinding steel. Instead of trying to worry about keeping your piece cool enough to grind, you can just use a big welding magnet to hold it. Now I wouldn't recommend doing this with already heat treated steel. You won't be able to tell if your steel is getting too hot and if you should stop grinding. But this trick does work great when doing pre-heat treat grinding. This final hack is for when you're gluing up your handle scales and you get some squeeze out on the ends. A great way to clean it up is to use acetone and Q-tips. You can just dunk the Q-tips in the acetone and then wipe it along the edge of your handle scales, and it'll clean up all of that extra squeeze out. You might need to use a couple Q-tips to fully get the handle scales clean. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below which of these hacks was your favorite.